I've gone on the ride-alongs. I've seen what's happening out in the field at the conferences, and it is driving me nuts that our prospects and our clients do not appreciate the extreme amount of institutional knowledge and expertise that we have internally. Is getting completely lost. It is causing a GTM signal crisis. Search it up, GTM Signal Crisis. That is one of the most important initiatives that we're working on right now at the Data Center Sales and Marketing Institute. It's helping you address the GTM Signal Crisis, where we take your smartest world-class technical experts in your company and we make sure that we get that repeatedly in front of the right people, in the right accounts, at the right time, and most of all, in the right context. So you are driving the priorities when it's early enough and often enough to still be in there in the formative stages of these journeys, formative stages of these buyers' journeys. So